Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I am super duper excited to have you here. Today we are going to be talking about something almost everyone has struggled with at most points, and that is, why do body creams, body lotions, or skincare treatment in general refuse to work on your skin? Whether you are trying to lighten dark spots, moisturize dry skin, fade scars, or just get that glow, just get that shine, get that baby girl skin. But sometimes it feels like your skin just ignores everything you put on it and it's like, I don't want that. So in today's video, I'll be breaking down the popular reasons your creams don't work, the unpopular reasons people never talk about, and most importantly, how to fix each and every one of the reasons that I'm going to give you in today's video. So do me a favor, watch this video from beginning to the ending, and also like, share, and subscribe to the channel and be a part of this amazing movement. So let's get into today's video. We are starting from the popular reasons why your creams have refused to work for your skin. Number one, you are not exfoliating. If you are applying cream on top of dead skin buildup, it won't penetrate at all. Do you understand? Your creams is literally sitting on top of the layers of dead skin cells. I met recently, I just keep meeting people that they are going to tell me their skin issues. I'm going to ask them, oh, which body scrub are you using, or which exfoliating body lotion are you using? And they're going to be like, they've never used any of those before. Now, how to fix this if your issue is not exfoliating? Remember, as I'm saying the issue, I am telling you how to fix it. So depending on the one that actually relates to you, you actually pick the treatment, you pick what to do. Do you understand? So for this one, what you need to do is to exfoliate your skin 1 to 2 times a day using AHA exfoliants like lactic acid for dry skin and sensitive skin. Now BHA, that is salicylic acid for oily skin or textured skin. Okay, gentle scrubs for normal skin. You get it? If you didn't get it, rewind. Okay, so avoid over exfoliating. It causes irritation and makes cream less effective. Now, the fact that if you are not exfoliating, your cream will not work does not now mean you should now start over exfoliating. I've given you the time frame how often you should exfoliate, so follow that. It is going to help you. Okay, now reason number 2, popular reason, remember, you are not using the right cream for your skin type. People with dry skin use light lotions. People with oily skin use heavy comedogenic body butters. The mismatch makes the cream ineffective. So use creams based on your skin types. Now, if you have dry skin, use thicker creams, use thicker butters, use thick oils, use products that have urea, use products that have hyaluronic acid in them. It is good for your dry skin. Now, if you have oily skin, use lightweight gel lotions, use AHA, use BHAs, use niacinamide. Now, if you have sensitive skin, choose fragrance-free and minimal ingredients formulas. Okay, if you have sensitive skin, fragrance-free, paraben-free, all of those free, sulfate-free, and products that don't have a long list or endless list of ingredients. Okay, it's going to really help your skin. Look for, anytime you are buying a product, make sure it is written dermatologically tested, all of those tested things. Okay, yeah. Now, popular reason number 3 why your cream has refused to work for you is you are not consistent. Skincare only works with repetition. Using a cream once in 3 days gives no results. Okay, a lot of people are very inconsistent with their skincare routine, and they say, oh, my skin is troublesome, my skin doesn't accept anything I put on it. You are not consistent. Most at times you are not consistent. Okay, so how to fix this is to apply your product consistently for at least 4 to 8 weeks before you say it did not work for you. Consistently 4 to 8 weeks, that's 2 months. Okay, now set reminders to keep your product in visible areas. Use simple routines that you can stick to instead of building a routine that has 10 products, that has different steps. You have to do this and do that, and you know that you are a busy person, you are a mom, you are a dad, you are a this or that you can't be consistent with this thing. Build routine with very simple products, very less steps that you are going to be consistent with. That is how to be consistent with your skincare routine. All right, popular reason number 5, you are not using your sunscreen. Now, many lightening or treatment creams lose all their effects when you get exposed to the sun. Some ingredients even darken when UV rays hit them. There are some body lotions or even skincare products, when you put it on your window, okay, and the sun rays is hitting it, you're going to notice that it is going to get dark. So imagine when you put that thing that can get dark, when it gets in contact with the sun, what it will do to your skin when you now apply it to your skin and you now go out. Imagine what will happen. So use sunscreen every single day, especially on exposed parts of your areas. I've been singing this recently like a song, and this season, this dry season, this Harmattan season, the sun is very hot. So if you have not been protecting your skin since the rain has been falling, see this dry season, that time that sun used to come out, protect your skin. If not December, this December ombre you're planning, it might not work. Popular reason number 5, you are not using enough products. Now if you are using a tiny pea size of body lotion on your entire arm and legs, the product can't work. It is possible that you are not using enough product on your skin. Your skin is not getting the adequate percentage of the active ingredients in your body lotion that is needed to brighten your skin, that is needed to clear the dark spot, that is needed to clear the hyperpigmentation, or even out your skin. Some people buy one lotion and they want to use it for 6 months. That's good if you don't have any skin issues, you don't have any skin wahala. That's very okay. But if you're trying to work on your skin and do this and clear some things, and you have gotten a good product, right? Gotten a good product that is good for your skin, then please use its adequate quantities, okay? Dermatologists used to say, when you are confused, use more instead of using less. When you're confused, use more, especially when you're using good products, not harsh products, please. Now, unpopular reasons people never talk about why your cream is not working for you, why it has refused to work for you no matter what you have tried. This is section number 2 of this video. Now, reason number 1 is your skin barrier is damaged. Now, if your skin barrier is compromised, your skin becomes too irritated, too dehydrated to absorb anything. Okay, now how to fix this is to pause harsh products, use ceramides, use niacinamide, use petrolatum, use shea butter. Hydrate your skin deeply before using treatment creams. All right, I think I'm going to do a video about body serums that you can apply on your body before you go ahead and apply your main body lotion for people that have compromised skin barrier. I think I'm going to make that video. If you're interested, let me know in the comment section. Now, number 2, you are applying cream on dry skin. Creams work best on damp skin. Now, dry skin equals zero absorption. When your skin is totally dry, for those of you that have AC in your room, you have fan, like your room is very, very cold. Once you step out from the bathroom and enter into your room, your body is to dry up. Okay, so it is best if you're in that kind of situation, take your lotion to the bathroom, apply your body lotion in the bathroom where there is no AC and all of those things. So make sure you apply your body lotions on damp skin, okay, slightly wet skin, so that water on your skin, and when you have your bath, because of the soap, your pH and everything that went on while you are bathing, your pores are still slightly open. But when your skin has dried up, it is not. So when you just apply lotion on your skin, it's depending on the type of lotion, it just basically stays on your skin, and the right amount that is meant to penetrate into your skin to give the results you are expecting will not penetrate into your skin. Now, reason number 3, hard water is working against you. Hard water leaves mineral deposits that block pores and weaken creams. A lot of people, the area you are living, you have hard water. Okay, so this is what happens. Now, this is why even good creams don't work for some people, just because of the water that they use to bathe. Now, how do you fix this? Use a shower filter. Go online and type shower filter on Amazon, or I don't know, maybe in Nigeria here, just type shower filter. You're going to see sites, all these online sites that sell shower filters to help to soften your water. Okay, now the next thing you can do is to follow up with hydrating toners or hydrating sprays before using your cream. So this is most applicable to your face, but what really works, if you notice that you people have hard water where you live, is just to get a filter. You are going to see a difference in your skin, even on your hair. Hard water, okay, if you are trying to grow out your hair, hard water also makes your hair to be cutting, to be dry, and all of those things, and making you not to retain length. That's and expo I'm giving you. Okay, so reason number 4. Now, reason number 4 is poor blood circulation. If your blood flow is low, especially in your legs, on your thighs and on your arms, creams won't penetrate well. I've said it time without number recently that skincare is not just about the products you are buying. Skincare also has a lot to do with your internal health, with your lifestyle. So if you're someone that is always sitting one place, you work in an office, try to walk around, try to move your body, try to exercise. Even if you're not a gym body, you're not an exercise person, walk around, move your body. Okay, so let there be adequate blood circulation on your body. This also helps your skin to flourish. So how to fix this? As I said, massage your creams in for 2 to 3 minutes. So if you notice you are someone that is always sitting down, so that time you are using to apply your body lotion, take your time to massage your hands, so it is going to absorb into your hands. Number 2, exercise and stretch. I already said that. Then number 3, try dry brushing once daily. Helps to stimulate blood circulation. Okay, so the easier one is just to be stretching your body, move your body, dance, put music and dance, move your body. It helps your skin to glow, it helps your products to work better. If you like this tip, just give me a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. Now, reason number 5, your skin is too oily. Yes, you heard me right. Creams don't work on excessive body oil either. Now, some people, especially people with oily skin, okay, if you have oily skin, you need to actually pay attention to this one. Now, oil prevents absorption into the skin. So how do you fix this if you think this might be the issue? Number 1, shower regularly. Okay, use BHA body wash. If you have oily skin, there is a high tendency that your skin is always oily. And if your skin is always oily, if you are now topping a cream or lotion on top of your skin, it has very low absorption into your skin. And you know that for a product to work for you, it has to penetrate into your skin to actually do that. Once that absorption level has been dropped, do you understand, then your product is not going to work. So yeah, your product is not going to work. Then lastly, apply lotion based product first before applying oils to your skin. Now, reason number 6 is medical and hormonal reasons. Things like diabetes, thyroid issues, or hormonal imbalance can affect how the skin responds to products. How to fix this? If your skin does not improve after 8 to 12 weeks of consistent routine, see a dermatologist for evaluation. Everything is not going to get another product. Everything is not, everything is not really your skin. Sometimes you need to look inwardly and know what is wrong with you. Go for tests. You are going to actually probably find something why your products are not working for you, why your skin is looking dull and hyper pigmented. Now, reason number 7 is using too many products at once. Layering 10 different creams, oils, serums, scrubs, can overload your skin and reduce effectiveness. Now, that you want to brighten your skin does not mean that you need to use a lot of product to do that. Now, to fix this particular one, if you feel this might be your issue, is to simplify your skincare routine. Now, I personally have noticed that less is more when it comes to skincare routine. So just exfoliate your skin, moisturize, treat and protect. That's all you need to have a very good skin, and be consistent with whichever skincare routine you have chosen to use. Now, reason number 8, your product needs occlusion. Now, some ingredients work better when sealed in, especially moisturizing or barrier repair creams. What is occlusion? Occlusion is using butters or oils or products that seal in your lotions, okay, to avoid them from evaporating from your skin. Now, to fix this, top your cream with a thin layer of shea butter or petroleum jelly or body oil. This helps to lock in the product in, so it is going to work better on your skin. A lot of people are in this particular box. All of you, some people that used to say, oh, I don't like using body oils and all of those things, you are in this box. If you feel like your body lotion is good, but it is not giving you the results that you like, it might be that because you're not sealing in the moisture, the product is not staying long enough on your skin, it's evaporating and all of those things. It just needs to be sealed in. Now, the very last reason, and one of the important ones, is impatience. Some creams take time. Okay, certain ingredients need 4 to 12 weeks to show visible results. A lot of people are very impatient with skincare products. You want to get a product, and in some days you want to look at your skin and you're seeing results. Some products take weeks before you can see results. Okay, so be patient, stick to a routine, and take weekly photos to track changes. If you don't snap your skin, you might not see the results you are getting, unless someone from outside actually tells you that, oh, your skin is glowing. That's when you're going to know. But if you look at your skin and you buy a product and you're using it without taking pictures, without taking notes, you will feel like it is not working, but it is actually working. And before you know it, you're just going to change it and get another one and just be going in that roller coaster. So there you have it, my loves. Here, these are the popular and unpopular reasons your creams might not be working for you, plus how to fix each one of them. Now, before you throw away that cream thinking it's useless, try adjusting how you use it. Most times the product isn't the problem, your method is the issue. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. Let's have a beautiful conversation. I love talking to you all. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in any of these videos right here. Let's continue our beautiful conversations.